Leakage problems in your building in Hyderabad? Is your residential house, apartment, commercial building, or industry facing slab leakage, toilet sunken slab seepage, basement water ingress, wall dampness, terrace leakage, expansion joint leakage? Don't ignore it. Water leakage is equal to structural deterioration plus corrosion plus loss of strength. Solution by Vasavi Infra Solutions. We provide structural-grade waterproofing repairs, not temporary patchwork. 1. Epoxy pressure injection grouting. Used for structural cracks in beams, slabs, columns, and foundations. Technical purpose. Restores structural monolithic action. Bonds cracked concrete sections. Prevents water ingress through structural cracks. As per engineering practice and standards. Crack repair procedures align with IS 456-2000, durability and protection of reinforcement. Used in structural rehabilitation methods referenced in NBC, National Building Code of India, structural safety and repair guidelines. Injection methods follow accepted practices used in concrete repair and rehabilitation engineering. Material properties. High bond strength, low viscosity for deep penetration. Structural load transfer capability. Chemical resistance. 2. PU, polyurethane, injection grouting. Best for active water leakage situations. Used in basement walls, lift pits, retaining walls, water tanks, toilet slabs, expansion joints. Technical function. PU reacts with water, forms expanding foam gel. Blocks water paths inside concrete. Creates flexible waterproof barrier. Engineering basis. Repair and waterproofing approach aligned with durability provisions of IS 456-2000. Used in rehabilitation works under NBC India, building maintenance and repair practices. Suitable for structures exposed to hydrostatic pressure. Works even during active seepage. Flexible, accommodates minor movement. Deep internal sealing. 3. AP membrane waterproofing, terrace protection. For terraces, podiums, roofs. Executed as per IS 3067, waterproofing of roofs with bitumen felts. Bituminous membrane systems as adopted in Indian construction practices. Advantages. Long-term terrace waterproofing. UV-resistant protection. Suitable for Hyderabad climate. Installed quickly with torch application. Why structural engineers must handle leakage. Leakage is not only a waterproofing issue, it affects reinforcement corrosion, concrete spalling, reduction in structural capacity, long-term durability failure. Our structural plus civil engineering team, 11 plus years experience, root cause diagnosis, not surface repair, NDT-based assessment if required, structural repair plus waterproofing integration. Don't let leakage become structural damage. If your property in Hyderabad and surrounding areas has seepage, we handle structural crack repair, PU and epoxy injection, terrace AP waterproofing, rehabilitation and retrofitting. Contact Vasavi Infra Solutions, specialists in structural repair, rehabilitation and waterproofing engineering.